Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essential permissions and connections done. This saves time on the road. Plug your phone into the car or pair it over Bluetooth, and make sure Android Auto or CarPlay is active if your vehicle supports it. Open Google Maps, grant microphone and location access so voice and live routing work. Then type the address or pick a saved place. Pick driving mode. Once done, confirm the route and tap Start so the app can recalculate in real time. Once navigation is running, refine how Google Maps guides you. This improves safety and accuracy. Use voice commands for hands-free reroutes. Say, "Hey Google, take me home," or tap the three-dot menu to set route options like avoiding tolls or highways. Make sure lane guidance is on so you see which lane to use at junctions, and download offline maps if you expect poor signal. These steps reduce surprises, and they help maps choose the fastest, safest path for you. You finish by following turn by turn until you reach your destination. Always glance only when stopped. When arrival is near, tap N to stop guidance and review saved places if you want. If voice commands stop working, check microphone permissions and reconnect Bluetooth. If Maps shows the wrong route, cancel and restart navigation so it recalculates. For GPS drift, toggle location, recalibrate the phone compass with a figure-8 motion, or switch to a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.